Question number 6. Let's comprehend what is given. The value of the limit. Limit x tending to pi by 2 for root 2 sine 3x plus sine x now divided by 2 sine 2x sine 3x by 2 plus cos 5x by 2 minus root 2 plus root 2 cos 2x plus cos 3x upon 2 is. So what is given? A trigonometric expression involving only sine and cosine and with different angles. And limit हमको निकालना है when x is tending to pi by 2. Okay, let's analyze. So I recognize. So first step is always we check whether this limit is in which form, determinate form or indeterminate form. So x is tending to pi by 2, so sine 3 pi by 2 tending to minus half, sine pi by 2 tending to 1, sine pi tending to 0, we check all the terms, tending to minus 1 plus tending to 1 tending to 0 into 4 root 2. So we check all the terms. It is tending to 0 upon tending to 0 means indeterminate form. Now, as the whole expression involves only trigonometric expressions, I will reduce it to determinate form using the trigonometric results or standard result. For standard result for the trigonometric expression is sin x upon x. But there we have trigonometric and algebraic, sin x and x. So first I look to simplify this with trigonometric results. And it is tending to 0 upon tending to 0, means tending to 0 is a factor in the numerator, tending to 0 is a factor in the denominator. And if x is tending to pi by 2, the factor should be cos x. Let's calculate. So sin c plus sin d, basic result. And this, I take this and this. Why I'm taking this? So 5x plus 3x plus minus will give you 8x or 4x, 0 divided by 2. This will reduce, right? So I use these results. I got sin x by 2, sin 2x here. Okay, and I now see sin 2x and sin 2x here. So I take those two common from those two. Sin 2x, again I get sin c minus sin d. Let's simplify this. All right, I check here. Everywhere cos x tending to 0. So I eliminate that. So I get 8 root 2 sin x upon 4 sin x by 2 minus root 2. Now which form is this? Because we have cancelled tending to 0, one factor from numerator and denominator. So I'll check the limit here. To what value this is approaching. So this is 8 root 2 sin pi by 2, 1, sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. So 8 root 2 upon 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 8 root 2 upon root 2, 8. This is determinate form. I determined the value of limit. Straight, simple approach. Basic results, basic definitions. Only the expression was looking like, wow. I got the answer. It is 8. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.